How have economic considerations factored into Trump's position on Russia?
I think it's become a really significant element in Trump's approach, to be honest. Russia is seen by the US and by the Trump administration as a key potential partner. The US is trying to figure out whether they can do energy deals with Russia, whether they can work together on developing, for example, the Arctic, which is something that Putin has offered, whether they can work together to take advantage of new trade routes. And one key consideration for the Trump administration is that they want to try and draw Russia away from its relationship with China, because that's part of the China strategy for the USA, which is to isolate China rather more. I don't think the Trump administration is naive enough to think that Russia will break its ties with China. The two countries have become very close during this war. Russia has become very dependent on China, both for political and economic support. But they want to try and lure Russia away from over-dependence on China to reduce its involvement with China. And one way to do that is to encourage them to build up ties with the US and perhaps again also to restore ties with Europe if the war ends. All of that is dependent on the war coming to an end.
I'm Sarah Holder, and this is The Big Take from Bloomberg News. Today on the show, why some investors are eager to start doing business with Russia again, and what taking that gamble could mean for Russia and Ukraine's economies.